What's up, YouTube? I got another video dropping today. Something a little bit different. Try and give it a little bit more entertaining, fun to watch, but still with, some educational purposes. Let me know how you guys like this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. I appreciate you guys. This haircut is on some thick, coarse hair. He is Mexican, so he's got that thick, coarse hair. I'm going to show you guys how to do a low fade. Have a nice blend to it, but still keep that darkness around the parietal ridge and the back, keeping it all dark. He does get a texture top. He has a crop top, so I'm going to show you guys some, cutting techniques on how I texture the top. Hope you guys are having a good time staying home with your families. Be safe, stay healthy. Let's get on to the video, all right? What is good, YouTube? I'm gonna be walking you guys through on how I executed this fresh low drop fade on thick coarse hair with some texture on top. All right, we're gonna start off with the gamma hitters with that P3 blade. We're putting that ball guideline right below that occipital bone and keeping it very low. All right, next we're using our clipper over comb just to set that base and to have our shape. Now we're moving on to our number 1 guard open, and this is going to blend right into that clipper over comb, alright? Next is no guard with the blade completely open, and set that next guideline in about an inch wide. Now take your 0 guard open and blend into that 1 guard open. Continue to use the corners and pick out any dark spots to give it a nice even blend. Now go ahead and bald out all the excess hair on the bottom. Use your balding shavers just to give that extra close shave. I'm using my gamma shavers here. And you want to flick out as you get closer to the bald guideline. Go ahead and throw in the C cup, edge that up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Appreciate you. Right here I'm using the hair grippers to separate his hair from his hairline. I'm going to be using clipper over comb just to bring down the hair a little bit shorter, just so it's a little bit easier for me to line up. Make sure not to push them back. Right here I'm showing you guys that there was a little bit of a pushback and trying to bring his lineup back up. I'm starting from the middle and following it to the left side, and then I'm going to follow back to the right side. Follow up with your straight razor just to get extra bald. Also, these are my JJ Bearded Barber razors that I will be dropping soon, so be out on the lookout for those if you do want to purchase yours. Now we're going to go ahead and remove that ball guideline using no guard and lever plane from open to close. Now moving on to the top, we're going to be doing some texture, and we're going to be using point cutting techniques, coming at an angle just to give some extra texture. Next texture technique we'll be using is slice cutting. We're just going through the hair and add some more texture. He does have super thick and coarse hair, so this is why we're doing some extra texturing. I'm using a round brush here to just get some extra volume in the hair, so we'll prepare for the styling. This is how my boy came in before, and that's the after. Nice low fade, fresh, blurry, got some texture on top. Let me know what you guys think about the cut. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, alright? Stay tuned for the next one.